Okay, so today we are unboxing the Dunk Union Pistachio colorway, which I did not hit on, but my fiance managed to hit on. And, okay, the box came slightly damaged. It's a good start. Papers for your entertainment. The Passport Dunk. Oh wow, that's got like a patent leather on it, but only the swoosh. It is not too bad on the glue marks. These threads are not awesome, I'll be honest, but this is actually really cool. Made it look like a little passport. I like the tongue, I like the shine. I like these a lot, to be honest with you. Quality is not the absolute best, but I can't say that I expected too much from a Nike Dunk. I am actually really looking forward to the baby blue colorway that's going to be coming out. But this was a Union exclusive, and again, we had the threads all sticking out. So I did want to keep these, but the quality is a little low, if I'm being 100% honest. I like the idea a lot, but I'm probably going to put these up for sale regardless of the fact that they are in my size, just because they're going for so much and the quality's just mildly disappointing, if I'm 100% honest. But that is my unboxing and review of the new Union Pistachio Navy Dunk.